PS2017, or better said, that we usually encounter when using or playing PS2017. Now, without wasting time, the problem is sometimes when playing the game, you'll see that automatically the game will quit. You'll be playing the game, but you see that the game will quit without giving you any notice. It will quit and then come back to the desktop like this. And then sometimes too, it will be running, but you can't select a particular team. If you decide to select a particular team, it's the entire application will quit. Like if you select PSG and then Liverpool, you can't select Liverpool. The moment you try to select Liverpool and then PSG, you see that the game will quit randomly. It will quit. Yes. So that's what we are going to fix. Now, sometimes it's quite frustrating to the extent that if you don't take care, you may think that your machine, or better say your laptop, is not functioning, or your desktop, or that kind of PC you are using is not working, or there's a problem. But trust me, there's no issue. The problem is very simple. Follow me. Now, that problem usually comes from the file in which you are using. Now, the arrangement of the file as far as the PS2017 is concerned is extremely crucial. Okay, now if you look at this place, you see that my arrangement, you see the add-ons is at the top here, followed by ballpark, body style, texture, and then the boot pack, and then all those things. Now if I try playing this game, I will encounter a problem. That is, my game will be quitting automatically without giving me any notice. Yes, it will be quitting without giving me any notice. Or I may be able to play the game, but I may not be able to select a particular team. Like if you want to play Barcelona with Liverpool, the moment you select the team, you see that it will quit. And then sometimes you get this feedback that something caused the problem. Something caused this program to stop working, or something prevented the program to stop working. So they will be suggesting some method for you to run a test and then see the problem. Sometimes you may use all those things, it will not work. So now with the arrangements, always, now if you install the patch, you'll see, in my case I'm using T99 for this tutorial. So with this T99, you see that there's this data pack. Most always the data packs should be first on the list. The data pack, in order to prevent your game from crashing. Now this is how it should be. Now the data pack, some of the patches, you may have it one, data pack 1, data pack 2, data pack 3, data pack 4, in that order. So you have to arrange it in that order: 1 followed by the 2 followed by the 3, in that order. Now in my case, you see that I have data pack 1 over here. This is the data pack 1, so I take it and then drag it to the top. Okay, I'll just pick my data pack and then send it there. Okay, now after that, I go through and then go for the next data pack. Okay, I'll go for the next data pack. This is the data pack 1. It should be at the top. It's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be at the top. So we have to drag it there. We have to send it to the top. Okay, so as you can see, you have my data pack 1 at the top here. So you have to search through, and then this is the data pack 2. I have to drag this pack 2 to the top, leave it here. So as you can see, we have data pack 1, data pack 2. Okay, now as I said, you may have data pack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, depending on the patch you are using, and then the data packs you have in there. But in my case, I have only 2, so I just have to arrange these 2. Now after that, you go to the live updates. Now the live update to, just like the data pack, you may have 1, 2. Okay, but in my case, I have just 1. So you just look through, and then T99 live update. So I drag the live update and then put it here at number 3. So as you can see, we have data pack 1, data pack 2, followed by how do you call it, live updates CPK. Okay, now you have to search through. If you are certain that you are done with the live updates, as I said, you may have 1, 2, 3, or depending on the number of live updates that you have. Okay, now in my case, as you can see, I'm done with the live update. Now what next am I supposed to add? Now you look through, and then this thing, the unique color, okay, T99 unique color has to come beneath the live update. No, it should be here. Okay, so as you can see, we have data pack 1, data pack 2, live update, unique color. Now the most important thing is this: the data pack, the live update, then the unique color. And then sometimes you may not have the unique color, so you just have to arrange the data pack and then the live update, and then you go. Okay, now here, after you are done with this, the patch itself, you can go ahead and then arrange the rest as you like, and then it should work for you. Okay, but sometimes you may choose to arrange them by adding the stadium pack and then taking your time to arrange them. Okay, but it doesn't matter. The only one, the major one is what I've given you. The data pack is supposed to come first. The live updates, you have to look at the number. If you have live updates 1, 2, 3, you just have to arrange them there, followed by the unique color. If you have 1, 2, 3, you just have to arrange them there, and then after that, the add-ons, and then all those, the rest of the files that you intend using. Okay, now after that, you hit generate. So you generate, and then that's it, you are through. And then trust me, this is how it's supposed to arrange it. Else, especially for the beginners, you'll be frustrated to the extent that you may think that your PC is not working, or the patch that you are using is not working. So this is the trick that is used in arranging the files.